If you are wondering if we have macro mode available on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is yes, we have a built-in macro mode, which activates automatically once the camera detects that you're trying to take a picture of something small or something up close. So for example, over here I have this car toy here, and if I keep the camera close, then you will notice that here in the upper left corner we have this flower icon, which indicates that the macro mode has been activated. And unfortunately, there is no way to actually turn it off. It seems to be fully automatic, and we cannot really turn it off if you don't want to actually use it. But still, if you want to take a pretty decent macro photo, you can keep a little bit of distance between the subject and the camera. Even if you keep it too close, you can get this message that you probably want to move back to improve the focus. But then you can also use the zoom in order to get closer. So instead of going close with the camera to the subject, you want to keep the distance between the camera and the subject and use zoom and zoom in to get a close-up shot, just like that. And it still looks pretty decent. So even though we use zoom, it still looks pretty fine. And of course, if you use too much zoom, then the quality might get much worse. And you can also see that if we switch to anything above 9x, it switches the camera lens. So you probably want to use like 8x at most. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.